This brick home features a curved walkway leading to the entrance. Red flower beds and green plants line the path, while lush shrubs and trees create a polished, inviting front yard. A brick path curves through this manicured backyard garden. Yellow flowers bloom near the house and fence, while the neatly trimmed lawn contributes to a peaceful, open atmosphere. This red brick residence boasts a unique circular garden bed. An agave plant sits at the center, surrounded by trimmed bushes and flowers that enhance the home's charming exterior. Vibrant flowers in red, white, and pink border a curved brick path. An orange front door stands out against the brick exterior, all framed by a neat wooden fence and green trees. Sunlight brightens this garden where a brick path winds through the lawn. A striking red-leafed tree serves as a focal point, complemented by the classic brickwork of the house. Beside the brown-shuttered house sits a circular brick planter. It holds a round bush and agave plants atop dark mulch, while a concrete walkway leads toward the front entrance. Winding brick paths with raised borders navigate this landscaped yard. Colorful blooms in red and white fill the flower beds, creating a professional look for this suburban space. This large brick estate features a brown roof and a grand entrance. A winding path connects the sun-drenched lawn to vibrant yellow flowers, all set under a clear blue sky. A red brick house with a black roof sits nestled in a tranquil yard. Purple flowers line the winding path to the red door, creating a scene that feels both quiet and inviting. Purple irises bloom along a curved brick pathway in this organized yard. The path leads directly to a dark front door, highlighting a landscape that is both simple and elegant. This two-story red home features a classic porch and gray roof. Agave plants and shrubs dot the lawn, while a curved walkway provides a clear path from the street to the door. Lush greenery and red flowers border a winding brick path in this colorful garden. A wooden fence and neat lawn frame the scene, making the outdoor space feel private and cozy. Agave plants and green lawns surround this red brick home. A wooden door marks the entrance, while a winding path navigates the garden under a beautiful, partly cloudy sky. This two-story property features black shutters and a dark roof. A vibrant red-leafed tree stands near the brick walkway, adding a splash of color to the well-manicured grounds. Vivid floral borders in purple and pink line this winding path. The brickwork blends seamlessly with the arched entryway of the house, creating a harmonious, vibrant landscape.